Hello friends, welcome to Vardhan Consulting Engineers Project Orientation, Internship Project Orientation. Today's project is Waste to Energy Municipal Solid Waste Management. So this video is going to be a very short video of only 5 slides. It is my request to please watch this video till the end so that we can give you the proper knowledge about this project, what the interns need to do, and how this internship is going to beneficial for the interns. Before we go forward, let me explain you about the project introduction. So right now the situation is in top 30 cities of India collectively produce more than 100,000 like 1 lakh ton of municipal solid waste, garbage in other words, in a day. मतलब एक दिन में 1 लाख टन से भी ज्यादा गार्बेज प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है इन इंडिया में. Okay, 90% of the municipal solid waste is dumped in open dumping yard with or landfill where there is no scientific and sanitized methods used. Okay, and that is a very alarming, that is a very bad situation. Okay, because of the open dumping, it is so much of health and environmental and health and pollution in the major cities, and it also leads to accidents. Accidents means the burning of the garbage or blast or something like that. So wherever there is a dumping yard, the nearby areas become uninhabitable. Nobody can live there. It's very, very much uninhabitable. Last 20 years, the government with the municipal corporation has tried to do a lot of things related to municipal solid waste management, but they are not able to manage it properly still. That's why 90% of the MSW is in. So managing the municipal solid waste management is a biggest challenge and a biggest threat also for government of in India and many other developing countries. So in 2021 to 2030, next 10 years, since it's a big challenge, there is going to be a huge investment in this, and there is a huge demand for the people who understand the municipal solid waste management. Okay, so this is the whole idea about this internship. What is the intern's work in this internship is the first is to do the elementary research. Go on internet, research on, watch YouTube, watch do Wikipedia, go on Google, try to research each and everything related to municipal solid waste, each and everything related to municipal solid waste. Okay, so that is elementary. What are the different types of waste, how the waste are segregated, and what are the current things are going to used for municipal solid waste management. Whatever, there's so much of content available, rich contents are available, and you can definitely find a way out from there. The second thing is a case study of success. There are few municipalities, few small cities where they are able to tackle municipal solid waste effectively, like Indore. Okay, so we want you to do that case study analysis and the success about that city, how they have managed, what are the engineering solutions, what are the unique social solutions they have provided so that the people throw the garbage on the garbage bins and blah blah. The third thing is the techno manager solution. You need to select one city, any city, or suppose it's a small city and providing 1,000 tons per day municipal solid waste. So how you will provide engineering and managing solution to solve that municipal solid waste management issue of that city. So that is the analytical techno-managerial approach for the solution. Whatever you have done in this internship, you need to provide a very nice corporate standard report. So summarizing and reporting is also a part of interns work. What is interns learning is the first thing is their subject matter learning. When you do a lot of research on the articles on different articles, Wikipedia page, so you will gain the knowledge about the subject matter, and today's the subject here in the subject matter is the municipal solid waste management, and this subject matter is widespread all across the world. Municipal solid waste is a biggest threat, biggest challenge. to solve it. And most part of the world, currently they are just throwing it out, just throwing it, nothing else. Okay. Second learning you can get is that you will get the awareness about the current situation. The right now how the government is handling, what are the benefit, how the uh, success is done in this municipal solid waste management in the small cities, and what are the different problems issues the government is facing, and how it is not yet done. Okay, what is taking the government back? Okay, यह हुआ क्यों नहीं आज तक municipal solid waste management, why people are not able to solve it. Okay. Third is the analytical thinking solution. When you suggest municipal solid waste management for a city, definitely you need to think analytically and try to, you will learn a lot while thinking the solutions and preparing. Data analysis, documentation, and reporting. Yes, this is also part of learning. When you do a documentation and reporting, proper documentation reporting, you will definitely learn a lot of new things. Modules and tasks. There are 4 modules. Okay, and 4 modules and 4 tasks. The fourth task is the corporate reporting. Module 1 to 3 is the basics, the basic research, basic understanding, and other things. So we want you to search on Google, try to figure out and try to provide you the solutions for the modules in your own words. The motto of each module is to understand and analyze the real situation, problem, activities related to the project. Hence, more practical learning sources need to be followed rather than theoretical. Don't follow any book which is published like 15 years back. Try to follow more the articles which is linked or available on Google, the recent developments and all. Okay, each module you need to we provided 10 days to finish that module and the task. Okay, that is more than enough, but if you want to take more days, more time, you can take it, no problem. What are the interns benefit is? Okay, here the interns benefit is that understanding the real industrial problem, managing with the municipal solid and company's process flow of the engineering solution of. So the first benefit you can get in municipal solid waste management is that you will understand the real problem. Understanding of the problem is something that enhance your knowledge. Okay, identifying the understanding various role responsibility, different positions held by engineering managers in them, you will understand this. So first two is that enhancement of your knowledge related to municipal solid waste management. The second, the most important, is the enhancement of the skills. When you provide engineering solutions for a large cities and all, your skills also got enhanced. Okay, and third is that I already told in most of the uh, orientation, that when you deal with your mentor, your HR manager, so definitely, and you do the corporate skill development program and pre-placement training program, you will definitely learn new corporate culture and understand the things and find out the ways out to manage municipal solid wastes. Okay, so these are the benefits that you can get for free, no, without paying anything. But if you want to properly document this whole internship and get the admin benefits of it, you can pay a small admin fee and get all these admin benefits, such as e-verified certification on flexible dates, letter of recommendation from mentor, certification verification and certificate verification and feedback. Okay, because when you send your certificate to different colleges or recruiters, they send us for verification to verify that this certificate is genuine. So our team will always manage that, and a lot of time we need to send a feedback to the college related to what you have done in this internship and sign, stamp, give you marks or something like that. We will definitely manage that. We give a special recommendation for foreign universities, where when you apply for foreign universities, they send us a link to again recommend you and upload the document and all. We give you the consent to use your mentor's name as reference from industry. Okay, we encourage you on LinkedIn the way we can, that's liking your post related to this internship or giving you recommendation, something like that. If you want, we can also provide you the original transcript of your certificate couriered to your home. So overall, this municipal solid waste management is a very good uh, project. Okay, and it is an engineering based project. So I request all the engineers to apply this internship, And this internship is very good. This internship topic is good for mechanical engineers, chemical, electrical, civil, okay, and energy engineers also. Yes. Okay. So thank you very much. If you have any doubt, any query, you can just reach out to me. Thank you very much.